Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this final project covering a proposal to improve the electronic health record system for ABC Health Clinic. My name is Jasmine Amatanga, and I am from ABC Health Clinic in ABC Southern City. ABC Health Clinic is one of the 11 healthcare providers servicing the people of ABC Southern City. ABC Health Clinic, along with other 10 units, uses a centralized call center for scheduling appointment, prescription refill, or speak to any medical staff from each unit. The call center uses a customized Lotus Note system where it tracks messages that would come through the call center. The electronic health record system cannot access these notes and actions from the call center. ABC Health Clinic recently adopted an EHR system and have seen a fair amount of success. Although there's a good number of success, there is also resistance from some of the physicians within the clinic. The EHR system contains features that can definitely improve the quality and effectiveness of patient care and safety provided by ABC Health Clinic. ABC Clinic and its call center can definitely improve their form of documentation, communication, and coordination through implementing the full features of EHR. In this proposal, I will present ABC Health Clinic's need to improve their EHR usability, activate and use all available components of EHR, replace Lotus Note system to avoid duplication of documents, which is a potential for serious error, and lastly, to encourage physicians to embrace and see the advantage of EHR need in their daily routine. Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health, or HITECH, provides funding to promote the use of EHR. The risk analysis strategy is focused on the funding opportunities provided by HITECH, along with the Center of Medicare and Medicaid Services, have proposed a timeline with a set of measurement requiring providers to demonstrate meaningful use of the EHR system, according to Reisman 2017. Adopting the meaningful use measurement and implementing quarterly EHR training for the medical staff will provide assistance to the clinical staff to improve on its usability and familiarize themselves with available features. EHR incentive program encourage eligible professionals and hospitals to adopt, implement, upgrade, and successfully demonstrate meaningful use or certified electronic health record technology, according to the Center of Medicare and Medicaid Services 2018. The Systems Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, outlines the natural flow of activity in a software implementation or upgrade project. This particular approach is called the waterfall model. It walks through each phase of the project, beginning with the planning and analysis to identify needs, configuring of EHR, full implementation of the system, and finally system maintenance and training. As you can see, across out the designs and added in the needs, planning according to the needs of ABC Health Clinic, configuring and implementing EHR, and later on maintaining and training purposes for EHR will be an ongoing process. The phases follow a logical progression, preceding steps leading naturally to the initiation of the next Every step of the cycle has activities and also costs associated with it, including some that providers might not be expecting. According to Bowman 2013, poor EHR system can cause errors that jeopardize the integrity of the information used to provide quality service, and it can decrease the quality of care. EHR system error can cause the community to refuse to come in the hospital. That's an impact in the cultural factor. The changes implemented in the new system can cause the clinical staff, compared to ABC Healthcare Clinic, to resist or change from their usual routine and work schedule. As the proposed strategy is implemented, it will provide an opportunity for the physicians to improve and increase the effectiveness of patient care and safety, so the community will expand and improve as well. According to Wager, Lee, and Gosser, 2017, the first step in planning for implementation is organizing a team with the primary role of planning, coordinating, budgeting, and managing all aspects of system implementation. With this proposal, ABC Healthcare will need an implementation team with the mentioned roles. Project manager's role is to provide direction and manage the scope of work within a project. A business sponsor will focus on securing funding resources for offered incentives to those who follow the meaningful use measurement. ABC Health Clinic team will include an information technology or IT. He is professional with technical expertise to conduct and assist with quarterly training on EHR connection. Another important role and responsibility is the staff trainer. This role identifies appropriate training, provide update, and train staff members. In this case, the quarterly training will be handled by this position, as well as tracking its improvement and progress. ABC Health Clinic implementation team consists of the above staff members, and as they work together, they are able to conduct and follow through on those. According to CIO 2015, organizations that are dependent on enterprise-wide data strategies have greater impact on its agility and performance. Not having enterprise-wide data affect the organization's ability to anticipate and respond to changes, trends, understand difficulties. An important step in creating information governance is the requirement to have a data protection system. According to Beach and Oates 2014, information governance is more than just record filing and management. It incorporates privacy, access, data sharing, and usage, implementing policies and procedures governing action and possible threats that might arise in the system. Enterprise-wide data manages, collect, index, analyze data and information that is protected under policies and procedures for patient care and safety. Technology is the driving storage of these collected information and data. Technology is mainly used in various functions of enterprise-wide data and information governance. There can be disadvantage of technology on information, such as accessibility from unauthorized users or malware, which can pose pose as a threat to information governance and enterprise-wide data. There are numerous policy and guidelines that a healthcare provider is required to abide and follow. One of the policy is Health Insurance Portability Accountability Act of 1996, which provides standards for electronic healthcare transaction and safeguards the protected health information within any transaction, according to Agries and Spendorfer of 2016. To safeguard data, information, and structure, each covered entity is required to be HIPAA compliant when involved in handling patient health information or exchanging information with providers, insurers, or even the patient themselves. Many healthcare providers have adopted the EHR system and have seen an increased collaboration between patients and their providers. According to Ramsey and Seth, 2017, healthcare system utilizing asynchronous communication is becoming very popular, meaning that people are getting more interacting and getting involved in their healthcare needs. This proposal will guarantee quality service and a predictive system in providing information for each patient in a timely manner and accurate information, which notes. Question and answer. First question: how would you see evolution of EHR for ABC Health Clinic? Once all EHR functions are open and running in the ABC Health Clinic, the clinical staff will not have problem in implementing full features of the system. What other actions would you take for your clinician team to fully adopt EHR? I will incorporate the engagement of leaders and managers to be accountable for the success of the goals that were set by ABC Healthcare. And the last question is, what is a challenge you would face while implementing this project? Interoperability is an issue and can be a challenge. There has been plenty of finger pointing over who is the problem, who is to blame, and who is to accuse on information interference due to the different system utilized by different clinics. There will be many updates and will come along in the way. Some providers will have to deal with others who may or may not have updated version of the EHR system. This may cause differences and a higher need of more training and more financial cost. In conclusion, EHR system, when it is implemented fully with its features, it can provide better healthcare services, effective and timeless communication with improved documentation and communication, as well as coordination with patients through implementing full features of the system. And that is my proposal for ABC Health.